So Liverpool, I've always supported them. So, well, Gerrard, but at the minute, Jack Grealish. Like what? Golf, just golf. Yeah. Favorite food, Chinese. Best goal, probably the solo goal for Chester. Against Bromley, I think it was. So yeah, probably that one. Best player to play with, probably Phil Foden.